Alright, me and Chong have found another pathway going far away from the spooky house. There's a pathway there that goes around this way. We're going to explore this way for a few minutes, see where that brings us. I mean, this might be a good way to go at night. We just got to kind of watch for skunks and things like that. But this is a nice nature thing. Maybe we can even find birds or something. Looks like there's probably deer back here. You never know. The unexplored things sometimes are better. Sometimes they're not. Well, the path looks like it ends right here. Here he is really enjoying this. It would be cool if there was a huge pathway, but I don't think it is. It goes out this way. Maybe there's ghosts around here. Maybe after we get that spooky house, we'll go this way. I mean, this could be a possibility in our life.